Think we're looking for dogs? Well, you're wrong. Guarding your bowl.
Go get it.
What? Hurry up!
No, I don't want to.
Watch, he'll dodge it. Gotcha. You suck! Watch, he's under the table.
Hey, Jess, there might
Ready?
be computers. Jess, there might
Say that! Say, oh, God. Ready, Skinny?
What if I can go somewhere fancy?
You're supposed to go get it! So you hit the camera. Okay, that's... He's like, no. Ready? Ready? On it. Go get it. Now you go get it. It's like I hate you both. I got that too. Go get it!
We're supposed to be doing random shit.
Are you drunk?
Yes, he is.
Are you drunk? Cat on drugs. That's just weird. You are a hillbilly. Wait. Still a paper vase.
I'm gonna kick your ass.
Tez! I'm gonna kill you!
He's tired.
Oh, he jumped up for that one.
I gotta see that.
I didn't get it though. Gonna take your toy. Gonna take your toy. Hey! Ow! You little! I caught that! Why? He'll jump for it. Ready? Ready?